Hi, I'm Holly. Welcome to Plaid and Lattes. Today we are going to talk about taking an ordinary table and turning it into something uniquely your own. So I had a perfectly wonderful ordinary table that was very useful, and decided that it just wasn't my cup of tea. I wanted something prettier, something more me. So I created this. Let me take you on our journey today. So a number of years ago, a friend gifted me this perfectly lovely brown table, and we use our table. We eat at our table. We play games at our table. We are always at our table. It's a center, a hub for our family, and I just wanted it to be prettier. I wanted something that was more me. So I asked my husband repeatedly for 3, maybe 4 years if I could paint the table. He didn't really like the idea, but slowly over time I wore him down and he agreed to let me paint the table. I had no idea what I wanted to do to the table. So I went on a journey to find what I'd like to do to that table. Now, in all transparency, I am already a level 1 certified one-stroke instructor. I don't teach. I just did it because I wanted to get better at my painting. And then I didn't paint for a long time. But I always watch Donna Dewberry's videos because she inspires me. That's why I started painting in the first place. And I also belong to her Facebook group and her YouTube channel. And I belong to the Plaid YouTube channel. And they had a series going on of Wreath of the Month. And one of the May Wreath of the Month was this, it was a daisy wreath. And I showed it to my husband and he said, yeah, do it. So I did. It took me a total. I did it over a number of days because I have physical difficulties and I can't sit for a long period of time. And all total, it probably took me about 5 hours from base coat to top coat. Was it worth it? Oh yes, my skills in painting have improved. My skills in painting have improved, and I absolutely love it. I love sitting at the table. It's not perfect by any means, and I think it makes me love it even more. I want you to know that not everybody, this is not going to be everybody's cup of tea, cup of coffee. It's just what I wanted to paint. And so now I'm going to let you watch the entirety, trust me, it's not all those hours, of painting the table with some lovely jazz music. Now, it was filmed by my daughter AJ, who is the other half of Plaid and Lattes, and it was her very first time filming, but I think she did an awesome job. She's put it together for you with some lovely jazz music, and once it's all done, I will come back and explain some of the things that I would do differently next time, because there will be a next time. I hope you enjoyed that little clip of me painting the table. And if you like that, feel free to like and subscribe below. I want to share with you what I would do differently. When I did the original table, I just did a chalk paint base, did my one-stroke paints, folk art paints, and then I did a simple coating on top, trying to keep it food safe and what have you. However, as you can see, my poor table has not stood the test of time. What I would do differently is I will do a prime or a paint blocker next time. So I will do a water-based poly coat on top. That being said, I am going to be redoing my table. If you have any thoughts on what you think might look cool, leave it in the comments below. I'd love to hear your opinions. And just a little side note, when we hit 1,000 subscribers, we are going to do a Q&A. So start thinking of those fun questions you'd like to ask when we get there. I'd like to thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.